So hello friends, welcome back. So in this round we are going to see first of all the problem A. Okay, so in this problem, first of all I will explain the problem statement, what the problem says, and after that we will move on to the approach. It's a very basic problem. You will be stated n into m matrix. Okay, so let's suppose we have a 4 cross 5 matrix. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 5. So actually these are the places. Okay, and these are their uh, boundaries, and we have to place a street light at one edge. Okay, and what it will do is it will have reflection over here and over here and over here. So if I place it here, then the reflection will be over here and over here. So we have to place minimum number of street lights so that we can get all these places to be lit. All these places must be lit. Okay, so so for the optimal answer, what we will do basically is that suppose let's take a bigger example. Okay, let's take the same example of 4 cross 5. So like this. Okay, so let's 1 2 3 4 5. So let's think that how we can use minimum. So if I place one lamp here, okay, then it will light this and this. So it is used one lamp, one lamp can light these two cells. One if I place here, so it will light this cell, this and this. If I place another here, so it will light this and this. If I place another here, it will light this and this. So now you will say, Aaron, if I place the next lamp here, so it will, if I place the next lamp here, so it will light this and this, but it is actually lit. So why you are wasting the lamp unnecessarily? So I will not place here, I will place here instead. So it will lit this and this. Same goes for here, it will lit this and this. Same here, it will lit this and this, and same here, it will lit this and this. Understanding? So for these two columns I need one lamp, and for these rows I need n lamps for these n rows, and which will include these two columns, and same goes for this too. And now you will say, Aaron, see, it is remaining. Now you will say, if I place here, but I will say no, you should place here. You should not place here, you should place here instead, because if it is placed here, then it will lit this and this. And same, if I place here, then it will lit this and this. So the next, so first of all, if m is even, then I only need to place it here. But if the m is odd, then I need to place it vertically. So in placing vertically, what I will do, I will place it in these n by 2. See, here I placed in the m by 2, here I will place in n by 2. Now you will say, Aaron, what if here we had one more like this? Okay, so I will say no worries. See, you had one more, so first of all you will place one more here. Okay, so it will lit. You place one more here, so it will be lit. So now you had this, now it is remaining. So either you can place here, but I will place here instead, or you can place here also, because only one is remaining. So actually we need to have the seal value. Okay, so what I will basically do, I will have my n into m by 2. Okay, these. Okay, plus, now the 1 is remaining. Okay, now if the m is odd, but if the m is even, only the answer here it is sufficient. And if the m is odd, then what I will do, I will add this, the last n rows. Now how to add these? I will do the seal of n by 2, and you know that the seal has the input of float, so I had to do n into 1.0 by 2. Now I will very quickly show you the code. So as you can see here that first of all, the condition here, it is not much required because it is not much required because I do the same thing here. So only the thing here, it is sufficient for you to get the answer. So first of all, I had my input as n and m, then as I spoke that it is not much required, but I wrote it for like in the rush. And if my m is even, although you can do the same thing in one line also, but no worries, I will do n into m by 2, and if the m is odd, then the first half, it will remain same basically, and for the next half actually you will do the seal of n by 2. Now you can merge these statements into one by only writing into m minus m by 2. Okay, but yeah, no worries. Sorry, m by 2 minus m by 2. Yeah, so no worries, you can write it like this also, but yeah. So from this you will get the answer, like how many minimum number of street lamps are required. So I hope that you got it, how to think for that, although it was very basic. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next problem B. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.